Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out a solid and budget-friendly NAS option that's perfect for beginners and home users, the Asustor Drivestor 4 Gen 2 AS1204T. If you've been thinking about building your own personal cloud or backup system, this device is a great place to start. It comes with a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor, which is efficient enough for everyday tasks like file storage, media streaming, and automated backups. While it's not designed for heavy enterprise workloads, it handles home usage smoothly and reliably. This is a 4-bay NAS, meaning you can install up to 4 drives and scale your storage depending on your needs. Whether you want redundancy with RAID or just maximum storage capacity, it gives you flexibility to grow over time. One standout feature here is the 2.5 GB Ethernet port. Compared to traditional 1 GB NAS systems, this gives you faster file transfers and better streaming performance, especially useful if you're working with large files like videos or high-resolution photos. You also get 1 GB DDR4 RAM, which is enough for basic multitasking, and 3 USB 3.0 ports for connecting external drives or peripherals. It's a diskless unit, so you'll need to add your own hard drives or SSDs, which actually gives you full control over your storage setup. The software experience is another strong point. Asustor's operating system is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to set up backups, run a media server, or even create your own private cloud that you can access from anywhere. Design-wise, it's compact, minimal, and fits nicely into any home setup without noise or bulk becoming an issue. So if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use NAS for personal storage, backups, and media streaming, the Asustor Drivestor 4 Gen 2 is definitely worth considering. Check the link in the description to get yours today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews like this.